What's going on, guys? Okay, I'm at the service call. What we have here is different pumps for different heat calls. Got auxiliary for a pool, auxiliaries for floor warming. Then we got the main loop that goes to the heat exchanger. The problem was, the way they set it up is, this pump here for the primary loop from the boilers is on all the time. So I'll show you these copper lines all the way back. To these Renais, which this is another issue. So they go here, copper goes up here, there to the heat exchanger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a fan center to only make this pump go on when there's a boiler call. This is the fan center box, and I drew it out for the guys. So I got my power coming into the box. It's gonna get tied in to my black and yellow. Then my red is going to my pump, and all my neutrals are getting tied together, as you see. Then got a communication wire, my boiler call. So when there's a call, it's going to turn on the pump, and that's going to my R and G. Right there. So let's get to work. Alright guys, first things first, power off. I'm going to put it right here. So this is my power, so I'm going to my box. So check this out. The ground, they just wrapped it around the wire. They didn't ground it to the pump. Doesn't make sense. There's a spot for the ground on the pump. This BX, just snap it. Twist. I use linesmans. Cut it off. Clean it up. There's an unwritten rule that power always comes on the left-hand side. So by code, guys, when you're working with this stuff, the BX Armored Flex, you gotta stick one of these anti-shorts in between here, sheathing and the wires. It's code, electrical code. Here. So that's inside, as you see. Wire through. I'm gonna loop my ground in the box. Then I'll leave extra to get my pump side on here. Spot for my pump now. My pump side, gonna run a wire. Be off. The switch came on. I hit the switch. Bam, got zapped. Fuck me. Right here. Bam! Connector. That was a wake-up call. Good morning. How you doing? Bam! Okay, you want to give at least 6-7 inches. Twist. So now my grounds put together. Sometimes I put them right on them, sometimes I leave them. So this is my pump, this is my power. What I like to do, so I put one screw in. So hold that in place. So all my neutrals are going to be going together. Give a little tug, make sure. Red wire, pump. My main power, full side, power side, black and yellow, black. It's a brown extra wire. I like to moret it. And that ground, I'm gonna moret it too. Not as well. Bam. So the screws are on the outside of the box. Alright guys, so there you have it. So technically if you short out the RNG, this pump will go on. So right now it's calling, so this pump is only going to go on when this is made. Before it was running all the time. See my wire here? That's my call to the end switch. So when this makes, this pump goes on. Okay, so just going to tidy up these wires. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is my 24 side. My black oil, my black and yellow is normally open with the red. The brown, which I capped, is normally closed. So there you go, guys. Service call for Santa Defense Center. Make sure the pump only comes on when you call.